Welcome.
Welcome, thank you.
Well, what are your impressions about the event so far?
Very nice event, to be honest. We have a lot of dynamic and creative executions and decisions that we had in this meeting. And to be honest, the learning curve for a lot of us. There's a lot of things that we discussed that we need to build on when we go back to our work next time. And I think, to be honest, a very interesting seminar in general.
Which was the most interesting one?
I would say the part when it comes to moat, because moat data basically and how moat can help brands live up to the expectation that they need in the market because of a lot of the brand safety and the ad fraud that you're seeing in some regions. I think moat will give us much more ability in creating better campaigns and better performance and better measurement for assessing our campaign performances.
So what do you think are the threats and opportunities we face today?
Threats and opportunities, to be honest, threats we always have ad fraud. Ad fraud is a very big threat in the market, and brand safety also. We need to try to combat it with the ways that we have and the tools that we have. Unfortunately, not every single market has the same tools, and we need to try our best to be able to get access to those tools, or at least get access to the learnings that we can adopt in markets that don't have these measurement tools in place.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.